So you want to know how you can make money with Microsoft Affiliate Program. My name is Marcus, and in this video, I'm going to review the Microsoft 365 Affiliate Program. I'm going to also share with you the strategies on how you can make money with it. Now, before we're going to jump into the tutorial and this review, I created a free masterclass down below in the description, in which I'm teaching like the best free strategies that I use on daily basis to earn money from affiliate programs and also YouTube. So you can find the link down below in the description. So let's start here with Microsoft 365 Affiliate Program, how it works. What is really great about it is that I read the Authority Hacker. They got like perfect article about Microsoft Affiliate Program, and they got really nice table about the commission rate. I'm going to look on it with you. So you're gonna have up to 10%. 7% are movies, Xbox games, TV shows. 5% other office products. 2% application, service and accessories, Xbox consoles and accessories, Xbox Game Pass, Xbox Live Gold. So you're gonna see actually like, okay, this is the commission rate. They got, I'm going to scroll down below. So they got the cookie duration 14 days. And that's pretty much how it works. Now that's straight away like the most important thing. To apply, you just have to come here, join now. And they got it through Rakuten Advertising. And you just have to fill everything here, and they are going to like approve you or they are going to not approve you. So you see right here that what you can actually offer and how it actually works. Now, if you're gonna actually offer Microsoft 365 products, when you come here and have the Excel, Microsoft Teams, Word, OneDrive, OneNote, Outlook, PowerPoint, so many of them, what's really great that it's established company on the market. So if you're going to decide to actually promote them, like a lot of people actually know about it. So what you can do is to, let's say, write articles, but you will, there is going to be a thing will happen is that in many of these fields, you're going to have saturated segment, saturated market. Like if the product is really old and plenty of people already wrote an articles about it, you can really penetrate the market. But what you can do is to, let's say, create an articles or create comparison videos. So let's say I'm going to have Microsoft versus Apple, Sony, Google, Amazon. All right, we can have project versus Monday, Asana, ClickUp, Planner, all of that. Okay, so I could probably create comparison videos. So that's something I can definitely do. So another thing I can have here is, okay, Microsoft Excel versus, and just start creating a comparison, right? And then Office versus Google Docs, right? So you could create comparison videos, and that's something you can start with, right? So not only articles, you can create videos, you can create, like, I don't think about TikTok that's the right way to go, but there is a thing that plenty of people are looking not only for Microsoft Affiliate Program, but they're looking for, let's say, discounts, right? For Microsoft 365. And you can again find those sites that are offering discounts and join the affiliate program from them, and then earn money also that way. So that's something that I would definitely recommend. But as I mentioned, when we look at it, Xbox first party games, right? And as you can see, these guys are like offering the games. And that's something you can actually sell. PC and accessories. So I can always come here to, where was it? Here. Movies, Xbox game, TV shows, other office products. Xbox Game Pass. Let's say review. Also, you see the popularity right here that it's like increasing. Right? And they have the review here. And they will have Game Pass Unlimited. Look at this. And this is definitely an affiliate link. And this is affiliate link, right? So Xbox Game Pass, we have it right here. And then we have like games or Game Pass, and you can easily like promote Game Pass. And we can sell the games. Also, that's another option if you want to. So these are the multiple ways how we can actually do it. And you can create, let's say, a TikTok channel, which is going to be focused on games and the new games. And you can easily promote those with discounts, with something like what is on sale right now. And that's pretty much how we can make money with Microsoft 365 affiliate program. But I don't really like it. Like, I'm the type of guy that wouldn't go to Microsoft 365 only because there are much better options, what I believe, comparing to Microsoft 365. There are much better options. So that's pretty much it. Hope I was helpful on your journey to actually understand on how we can make money with Microsoft 365 affiliate program. Thank you very much, guys, for watching, and I hope you are going to a great day. Definitely check the free master course that I created, and also definitely look on the thing that I have here, like my site with the best tools for affiliate marketers, and some of the tools maybe are going to be beneficial for you. So yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.